Hello everyone, welcome back. 'Tis the season. We have trial number 2 of my Soahn oil metering adapter for the RX8. I know everybody is, well, not everybody. I know people have made other videos about this, so what I'm going to be doing is following their videos to see how good it goes. Last time I tried this 3 weeks ago, I got the engine cover off and the battery cover off. So this time at least I'm that far ahead. Life has been crazy busy. So we'll see how far I get today. Got my speaker going with some wonderful Christmas music. We got the instructions, all the bits and pieces, and my tools, my favorite part of the instructions. It's really not that bad. Well, that's good. I hope not. Let's dive in. What is going on? That's better. I gotta remove this bolt. Oh yeah, got it. Kind of thinking my poor RX8 has sat for a little while. Does that look normal? Does everybody else's battery bolts all rusted like that? And the bottom of their trays look that nasty? There we go. And that looks and feels like the last one. Again! Why so rusty? It's like the dude found my car in the bottom of the ocean or something. Holy crap, you guys gotta take a look at this. Yeah, definitely not normal. Not good at all. That is some awful rust. That sucks. What happened? Anybody else? Let's see. Almost you, didn't I? Where'd you go? Yeah, I guess I can take that off. Ooh. Like that. So much better. You got this. Huh? You got this thing down here. You got this thing. What is all of this? If I understand correctly, with the aftermarket air intakes, they remove all of that. So do we really need it? What does it do? What's its purpose? So yeah, as I'm doing this, I'm worried I'm going to find more rust. Oops. Which is pretty much a for sure thing, which sucks. I just wonder what in the heck happened to it. It's like somebody drove it out into the ocean. But then so many different parts of it look just fine. one of the biggest bad things, I suppose, about buying a car somewhere other than a dealership. And possibly out of state. But it was in Arizona. How do you get rust like that in Arizona? Alright. Ready to travel with me to see what kind of rust we see? And one clip. Oh no. He's a spacer. Oh. I mean, look at that. The plastic box is rusted. Like 5 radiator explosions or something. It's disgusting. What the? How does that look good? And that looks horrible. So the radiator took a dump. Yuck. I mean, look at that. So it exploded and then just sat there. I mean, if my engine exploded, I'd probably let it sit there too, because break my heart. But check out what it looks like down there. I mean, just nasty. Uno más. Wait a minute. It's got a dipstick. It's clear. Can I pull on it? No. Maybe? It does! It pull out! It pull out! So, I guess it's been about a half hour or so. Time to get it up in the air, I suppose. Drain the radiator fluid. Well, duty calls. Gotta go watch the kids. I'll be back.
Verona, bring mir Vergessenheit und Nacht. Verona, wieg mich in Schlaf ganz leis und sacht. Verona, bring mir den traumlos tiefen Schlaf. Ich will nicht mehr wachen und warte. Eine Tablette. Bring mir den traumlos tiefen Schlaf. eine Tablette, Tablette.